So just going to do a quick unboxing and give you a quick and dirty first look, if you will. Now, I ordered the bundle. It made sense. GoPro set it up to make sense that way. So here it is in the bundle package. Pretty standard packaging for GoPro. Let's go ahead and zip it open. Full day, so I think I'm going to go with my Hero 7 Black today and capture stuff. So there's your box. Comes in a really great carrying case, if you will, or storage case. There's a clip that comes part of the bundle. The floaty handle, part of the bundle. A couple of GoPro mounts. A couple thumb screws. Sure, these are the cords, cables, and etc. And then, last but certainly not least, the actual camera itself. Gotta get it out of there. You'd think they were putting gold bars in this stuff the way they package it, but I suppose it cost me $400, $399 plus tax, and right now they're giving you free shipping on it as well. So not going to dig into it and do all the details, but I did want to give you a quick overview. Big deal for GoPro Hero 9 is the front-facing screen for your selfies, and then it also is recording up to 5K. Unfortunately, you have to get new batteries, so that's why I went with the bundle. Might as well get the new batteries that work with it, 2 new batteries. And I guess the batteries are supposed to give you 30 more minutes of record time as well, so I'll get those charged up in the camera and get it out and do some quick testing.